Hello everyone, dear student. Today we will cover chapter number 8 from our second book, Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Hack Driver, and it is written by Sinclair Lewis. So first of all, we will discuss about the life of the writer Sinclair Lewis. His lifespan was from 1885 to 1951. He was an American novelist, short story writer, and playwright. He is the first American writer to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. Some of his famous novels are Hike and the Aeroplane, The Job, an American novel, Free Air, etc. Now, the setting of the story, it's a village, New Mullion. Characters, the narrator, Bill or Magnuson or Oliver Lutkins means the hack driver. Then Fritz is a shopkeeper, and Gustav and Gray both are barbers in the same village, New Mullion. And then at last Bill's mother. It means Oliver Lutkins' mother. And a pre-reading task of the story. Actually, a young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is Lutkins? So when let's read the story and then you will come to know about the answer of these questions. Next one, key points. And with the help of these key points, we will cover the story. So in this story, there was a young lawyer who completed his graduation in law, and after completing his graduation he started working with a famous firm in city, and he was working as an assistant clerk, but he did not like his job of serving summons because many a times he had to face harsh situations. So one day he got a chance to go to a village to serve summons. So whenever he reached the railway station, he saw a man, or we can say a hack driver. Hack driver means a driver of cart. That is called hack driver. So he saw him there at the railway station, and that helpful hack driver offered him to take him in his cart and find Lutkins, because the hack driver cunningly extracted from lawyer that he has come here to give court summons to Lutkins. And the lawyer then decided to rent Bill's hack and search for Lutkins. Bill manipulated the lawyer and made him visit different places in search of Lutkins. So, first of all, they went to Fritz' shop to catch Lutkins, where he used to play poker. Poker is a game, or we can say poker is a card game in which people use cards. They have been told that he had gone to Gustav Barber for shaving. And whenever they reached at Gustav's shop, then they then they went to Gray's shop. But they did not find Lutkins there. And then someone told them that Lutkins left the pool room after buying cigarettes. So this way the hack driver and the lawyer went to different places, but they were not able to find Lutkins. In afternoon, Bill asked the lawyer to buy food from his wife as it would be less costly than a restaurant. Then they both went to Wades Hill. They sat there for some time and they took their lunch. And after taking their lunch, then again they started looking for Lutkins. And then the lawyer was fully convinced that Bill was a generous and helpful person. It means he had strong faith in Bill or Magnuson. He even started comparing city people and villagers. The hack driver told a lot of stories to the lawyer. And then again they both went to, or again they both started to find out Lutkins. So then they decided to go to Lutkin's mother's house. But she was a shrewd woman, she was a very horrible lady, and she was close to attack them with a hot iron rod. Somehow both came out from there, and at last the lawyer had to leave without serving summons to Lutkins, because with the help of the hack driver he was not able to find Oliver Lutkins. And whenever he reached to his office, he was badly rebuked by his chief the next day. And again, his chief sent him to New Mullion with a colleague who knew Oliver Lutkins. So he returned. After returning to the city, he was badly scolded by his chief, and chief again sent the lawyer back the next day with a man who knew Oliver Lutkins very well. And they both visited a lot of places, as you already knew it. And these are the places: Gustav shop, Gray shops, Bill's mother's farmhouse, and Wade's Hill pool room, etc. And then when they both reached the railway station, On reaching there, the lawyer happily acknowledged that Bill was such a helpful man to him in searching Lutkins. So at this point, he was told by his colleague that the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins. And then the lawyer felt ashamed of himself because he spent almost a day with the hack driver, but the hack driver was so clever. Oh, he was Lutkin himself, but he did not give a single chance to the lawyer to understand that the hack driver was Lutkin. So, this way, the hack driver or Oliver Lutkins befooled the lawyer, and the lawyer felt ashamed of himself and he became unhappy. And now, glossary of the story and then conclusion. And what is the conclusion? That we should never trust anyone without knowing him, otherwise, he or she will make fool of us. Theme of the story, that appearances are often deceptive. That it means that we should not judge a book by its cover. We should be reasonable, we should be clever enough to identify someone. Character sketch of Oliver Lutkins. You can say he was a very sharp minded person who befooled the lawyer very easily. So, dear student, I hope that you all will be able to get the meaning of the story or the central idea of the story, the theme. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.